Hello viewers, welcome to Neidal Online. Today we are going to see 5 designs in regular, fancy and designer, price ranging from 1029 to 1499. All these products will be available in a website neidal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Orders placed today will be shipped on 22nd December and tracking details will be shared to your mail in SMS on 23rd December. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is rayon fabric, a very soft and flowy fabric which has original wax batik design on it. Let us see how the complete set looks. This is kind of tone to tone set in pink color. The fabric will be very soft and skin friendly with original wax batik design on it. So this is the front side. At the back we have simple design. The fabric is smooth and soft, lining is needed. In the daman we have a simple batik border. It's a tone to tone set. We have matching pure cotton bottom which also has wax batik design on it, and a beautiful soft silk cotton dupatta with attractive prints, and we have thin zari lines on both the sides and tapings has to be done for the edges. We have 4 different colors in this. The cost of the set is 1029, free shipping all over India. Let us quickly take a look at the other colors. The fabric will be very soft. Next color is in dark turquoise green shade. The same design what we saw now. We have batik printed pure cotton bottom and very soft dupatta in fancy silk cotton. Next color is kind of dark, very dark fenugreek yellow. The fabric is very smooth and soft, and this is the dupatta for this. Totally 4 colors in this. So this color is kind of dark grey shade, matching cotton bottom and soft fancy silk cotton dupatta, and tapings has to be done for the edges for the dupatta. All these sets are priced at 1029. Next we are going to see a beautiful work dress material. The fabric is fancy silk cotton. It's kind of textured fabric, slightly coarse, and we have heavy work done on the yoke. We have sequins, cut bead, and all these are real mirrors highlighting the set. This is black color. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a kind of tone to tone set. The fabric will be slightly coarse fabric and textured as well. And this is the beautiful yoke with cut bead, sequins and real mirror. The fabric is transparent, so lining is needed. Matching fabric is provided in pure cotton which is thin and soft, which can be either used as a lining or as a bottom as per your convenience. And this is the soft silk cotton dupatta which has a beautiful subtle sequence work done all over. The fabric is apt for simple party wear. So this is the dupatta, a very soft fabric in fancy silk cotton, and tapings, lace tapings are there for this. And all these are sequence work done all over. So this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1499. We have different colors in this as well. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors. So this is the next color in the same design what we saw now in black. It's kind of teal blue color with beautiful work on the yoke. And take a closer view. All these are real mirrors with cut bead and sequence work. We have matching fabric is provided, which can be either used as a lining or as a bottom, and a very soft silk cotton dupatta which has beautiful sequence work done all over. All these sets are priced at 1499. Other color, it's kind of very dark onion pink color. Matching fabric, it can be either used as a lining or as a bottom, and this is the soft, very soft silk cotton dupatta which has sequence work done on it. Next we have in dark green color. It's kind of textured coarse fabric. Matching fabric for bottom or as a lining, and this is the soft silk cotton dupatta. The complete set is priced at 1499. Next we are going to see dress material in liquid fabric which has original shibori dyed on it, and in the yoke part we have tiny four mirror work, thread work and zardozi work highlighted with gota lace work. The fabric will be very soft, and this is in pastel blue shade. The base color is pastel blue with shibori dyed on it. The fabric is very soft and flowy fabric in beautiful color shade. This design is going to be in all pastel colors. We have shibori design at the back as well. In the daman we have simple gota lace. The fabric is soft, lining is needed. We have light turquoise green cotton bottom and dupatta in chiffon fabric which has all over thread work and tapings with gota lace. So this is the dupatta for this. It's apt for office wear. The cost of the set is 1249. Next is in pink, the same design. Dark pink cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta in chiffon which has all over thread work and tapings are provided. The complete set is priced at 1249. The next color is light green. Light mossy green cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta for this. The next shade is in light pastel yellow, a very light yellow with bright yellow combination. So this is the bottom and dupatta in chiffon. Next we are going to see dress materials in Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric which has original wax batik design on it, and all these are complete cut bead and sequence work done on the yoke part. A beautiful set. This is dark purple with pink combination, and Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton dress materials will come in sober shades, but in the video it might appear too bright, so kindly make a note of it. And that it's a kind of textured fabric, slightly thick, and you can take a closer view of the work. We have cut bead and sequence work done on the yoke. The fabric is not transparent, so lining is optional. We have same batik design, wax batik design at the back as well. It's kind of dual shaded. The fabric has little shine as well, and this is the bottom, and this print comes in the lower part of the bottom in pink shade, and dual shaded dupatta. It's purple, dark purple with pink combination, which also has wax batik design on it. So in the video, we have nearly 6 to 7 combinations in this, all in sober shades. In the video it might appear too bright, so please refer the picture posted in a website for reference. So the cost of this set is 1199. So this is the next shade in fenugreek yellow with blue combination. So this is the top, bottom in blue and dual shaded dupatta. Next we have in a different sober light blue shade. This Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric will come in sober shades only. Kindly note, in the video it might appear too bright. So we have dark brown bottom and dual shaded dupatta. It's a sober brown, the combination is sober blue with sober brown combination. Next we have in pink with light green combination. You can see we have a sequence and cut bead work done heavily on the yoke part. The fabric will be slightly coarse and thick, and this is the bottom in light green, and this is the dupatta, jewel shaded. Next color is in sober turquoise green shade with sober fenugreek yellow combination. Because in the video these materials might appear too bright, but these Bhagalpuri jute silk cottons will come only in sober shades. So this is the bottom and this is the dupatta for this. Next color is sober brown, a very light brown with dark maroon combination. So this is the bottom and dual shaded dupatta. A different color combination. All these sets are priced at 1199. Next we have in pepper black shade with sober maroon combination. So this is the top, bottom and dupatta. You can buy these products directly from our website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. Next is going to be a beautiful fancy wear dress material. The fabric is fancy silk cotton. It's a slightly coarse fabric which have a beautiful, it's a complete thread work done on the yoke. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a light beige with reddish maroon combination. The fabric is lightweight, lining is needed, and this is the yoke. It's a complete colorful thread work done on the yoke which gives an embossed look. The fabric has shine. It's a simple and elegant party wear set. We have reddish maroon silk cotton bottom and dupatta in fancy silk cotton. It's a dual shaded dupatta which has all over embroidery. A beautiful color combination, as you can see here. It's dual shaded and complete thread work done all over. The leafy pattern is same as that in the dupatta as well, which gives a beautiful look. The cost of the set is 1499. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors. We have 5 different combinations. The next color is in dark maroon with dark peach combination. Matching silk cotton bottom and dupatta and dual shaded soft fancy silk cotton dupatta. Next we have in navy blue with pink combination. The fabric is slightly coarse and silky fabric. Lining is needed. and dual shaded soft silk cotton dupatta which is all over embroidery. Next we have in dark beetroot purple shade with pale peach combination, pastel peach, silk cotton bottom and dual shaded dupatta. Next we have in sober dark green with honey brown combination. It's kind of textured coarse fabric, lining is needed with embroidery work done on the yoke. We have honey brown silk cotton bottom and dual shaded fancy silk cotton which is all over thread work. All these sets are priced at 1499. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.